This is the car here. It's in okay shape. It has a nick on the fender here, which I have a new fender ready to put on eventually. But yeah, I'm going to install some rain guards in this. And the rain guards I'm using are actually Japanese OEM Toyota rain guards from Japan. They only sell them in Japan. And if you look right here, right there, see how it says Altezza? Because that's what this car is called in Japan. So these are actually an OEM part from Japan. Pretty cool. I actually sell these. Here's the new one in the bag. And I actually took this one out of the bag already. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So when you take these out of the bag, they come with instructions. And they also come with these clips. So these clips are here. And here's instructions. Of course, they are in Japanese, but whatever. We'll figure it out. So first things first, what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to go ahead and clean this area because this car's still friggin' dirty. But I'm going to clean this area because that actually, these rain guards, they actually attach by like tape and clips. Two things. So of course you need a clean surface to attach it to. So I'm going to go ahead and clean that right now and then try to install these things. So I'm just going to go ahead and wipe off this surfaces with a paper towel and some water. Ideally, you should just wash your car, but I'm pretty lazy when it comes to this car since it's my daily. Don't really go crazy with it. But all that dirt. Yeah, the car has like over 200,000 miles now on it. So it still runs pretty good. Alright, so cleaned up these surfaces. They look pretty good. This car actually doesn't look like dirty on camera, but yeah, I cleaned up these surfaces. So they look pretty good now. Next thing I'm going to do is try to install these rain guards. So looking at these Japanese instructions, and looks like the first thing they want you to do is clean the area, which I did. Next thing they want you to do, right here, is they want you to like pull down on the seal here, and then I don't know, and then I guess you can put the clips in, and then find out here. All right, cool. I think it's gonna be easier if I roll down my window. Alright, and then this seal just comes off pretty easily. You just have to pry it off from the top here like this. It just, there's like a lip here, and then you can just pry it off. It comes off like super easy. No big deal. Alright, that should be enough. So that seal is lowered. Now let's find the correct visor. that. So this thing has a little notch here at the bottom, right here where it sits right outside of where the mirror meets the frame, and then there you go. Yeah, it fits perfectly. Cool. So you can see back here, this is the tape I was talking about. So now we're ready to tape this on here. Okay, so just make sure it's lined up correctly. Is on there pretty good, which actually sticks pretty well actually. And then next thing you gotta do is get those clips, pop those clips in from underneath. So basically just slide this clip under this lip here. There's little receivers on the other end. There's one here and there's one in the front. Just slide it. And that's it. Okay. And then after that, put the seal back on. Clean this off, you tape this thing on, and then these clips underneath, you pop them in from underneath here. Well, there's one here, one in the front, and then you reinstall the seal here, and that's it. And then you have OEM goodness. Altezza. So what I like about these over like the ones you buy on eBay is just that first and foremost, the fit and finish is just way better. It's OEM Toyota, so it's like, how can you go wrong there? And secondly, it has clips that hold this thing in, while the ones eBay just have like some cheap ass tape that falls apart. So yeah, definitely recommend this stuff. So here you can see I have this side done. The other side's the same thing, so it's pretty sweet. It says Altezza right there. Here's the rear window. Oh yeah, pretty nice. So they're like super solid. That tape is super high quality. The fitment there, super good. So if you're looking for a set of these, I actually sell these OEM Toyota units in my store. So look in the description for the link to my store, and then you can see that I have these for sale. So yeah, they're really cool. So it's one of my favorite Mazda's cars so far, besides the JDM Altezza bumper with the rear lip. That's also super cool. So if you like what you see, give me a subscribe, like the channel, and I'll put out some more content like this. See you guys.